Hi guys, today we're going to discuss about the natural phenomena which really kinda helped 17th century folks to disprove the geostationary theory, the theory that prevented the advance of astronomy for thousands of years. One of the most noticeable incident or phenomena that amazed the ancient astronomers is the retrograde apparent motion of Mars. First we have to understand what is it. What is the retrograde apparent motion of Mars? Standing on Earth, if you observe Mars day by day, you will first observe Mars at position 1. Then after a few days you will observe Mars at position 2. Then at position 3. Then at position 4. And then again at position 5. So if we add these positions, it seems to like Mars first forwarded from 1 to 2 and then again backwarded from 2 to 4 via 3 and then again forwarded from 4 to 5. Of Mars with respect to the distant stars is called what? The retrograde apparent motion of Mars. It is only possible if you are at a rotating platform, i.e. the Earth is rotating. The Earth is at the center of the universe. These ideas are hard to be explained. You can't blame the ancient astronomers who predicted that the Earth is static. Even we do silly mistakes in things we are meant to be skilled, and they are like the kindergarten boys at the astronomy school. So it became the battle of intuition. They were sure that the Earth is static, well as it appears so, and they were also quite sure to explain retrograde motion the Earth should be rotating. And you thought you feel confused while buying a cell phone? Ptolemy, the famous Greco-Roman astronomer, tried to explain the event. As he thought the universe is geocentric, his model somewhat goes like this. Here is the Earth. The Mars is this one. And this orbit is called epicycle. While this is different. In Ptolemy's Earth-centered system, the little sphere, called the epicycle, containing the planet turns while attached to a larger rotating sphere, like this, producing retrograde apparent motion against the background of distant stars, while we are standing on the Earth. No doubt Ptolemy tried his best, but he was wrong in assuming the universe to be geocentric. And Ptolemy had also considered a heliocentric model, but rejected it immediately from the physics of Aristotle. The implied violent rotation of the Earth seemed contrary to the observation. See, far more liberal than the Catholic Church of 17th century. Finally, in 1543, a Polish Catholic cleric, yeah, you guessed right, Nicholas Copernicus,
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Okay, that music has no chill anymore. So Copernicus nailed it using his model of heliocentric universe. The model goes somewhat like this. Now these are the distant stars, with respect to whom you can measure the retrograde motion of Mars. You are standing on Earth, and at the position 1 you can see Mars at position 1, and here is where you see Mars on our two-dimensional sky. At position 2 Mars seems to be moving at position 2 of our sky, and at position 3 it moved backward. In position 4 it moved backward slightly more, and in position 5 again in forward. The other planet moved in a circular orbit around the Sun. As the Earth overtakes the red planet, the latter exhibits its retrograde apparent motion against the background of distant stars. Though the planet follows an elliptical orbit rather than a circular one, and other details which discovered later, this model was by far the most correct one at those times. This was the age when astrology started to become astronomy. Thanks for watching. Now it's the time for bonus fact. Do you know what ancient Egyptians called Mars? It was called Skedet Fm Khet. Forgive the pronunciation. Which means who travels backward. Yeah, they noticed that too.